As we come together to celebrate Canada Day, I want to take a moment to recognize and celebrate the strength, diversity, and innovation that define both our nation and our team here at Victaulic. As you enjoy this special day, I encourage you to take pride in the role you play and join us to explore all that Canada has to offer.
Our innovative technologies enhance construction efficiency and safety. We support sustainable infrastructure because we value environmental stewardship and technological progress.
As an environmentally conscious organization, we design products that minimize waste, reduce energy use, and extend the life cycle of infrastructure. It is our collective responsibility to contribute towards Canada's biodiversity goals.
We rely on teamwork, innovation, and resilience qualities that are the heart of the Canadian spirit. Just like Canada is safe, we do things with pride, precision, and purpose. I'm proud to be part of the workforce that contributes to nation's growth and prosperity.
We are proud contributors towards Canada's economy through local manufacturing and fabrication facilities, partnerships with local contractors, and involvement in major infrastructure enhancement projects.
As Canadians, we're proud to welcome people from all backgrounds, work together, and build communities that are strong and diverse. At Victaulic, we uphold these values through integrity and continuous growth, empowering people to lead with purpose.
As a nation, our collective commitment to progress, sustainability, fostering inclusive economic development drives Victaulic and champions in growth and innovation through continuous engineering advancements and cutting-edge solutions.
In my own experience at Victaulic, I've seen how inclusive practices can transform not only our workplace culture, but our performance. From global cross-cultural teams that solve complex issues, to small moments of inclusion that make our colleagues feel seen, every action counts.
En tant que Canadiens, nous sommes largement reconnus pour notre politesse et notre convivialité. Étant un nouvel employé chez Victaulic, je me suis sentie accueillie à bras ouverts, ce qui a immédiatement fait en sorte que j'avais le sentiment de faire partie de quelque chose de spécial.
L'engagement de Victaulic envers l'excellence opérationnelle repose sur des valeurs fondamentales: l'innovation, la sécurité et l'amélioration continue. Garantissant des solutions fiables et de haute qualité, ces principes font partie de qui nous sommes. L'intégrité, la collaboration, la croissance durable axée sur la communauté et l'environnement. Merci.
I take pride in being reliable, hardworking, and team-oriented, values that are central to how I approach my work every day. I feel that my personal values reflect the kind of workplace culture the organization promotes and truly resonates with our Canadian values.
Here at Victaulic, we support local communities through educational partnerships. Their engagement with skilled trades and career training aligns with Canada's emphasis on workforce development and community-based education.
We prioritize accountability and transparency in every project we undertake, ensuring open and honest communication with our clients at every step. We believe in working collaboratively, fostering trust and building lasting partnerships based on mutual respect and integrity.
Being Canadian means being polite and respectful, while respect and unexpected weather.
I came to Canada to say, I feel grateful to live in this beautiful and wonderful country.
I also came 2 years ago. I'm really happy to be in this wonderful country, and now I can chase my dreams.
I celebrate Canada Day with my friends and family on July 1st. I truly love this blessed country.
Wishing you and your loved ones a safe and happy Canada Day.
We are Victaulic Canada! Bonjour, nous sommes Victaulic Canada.
We are Victaulic Canada.
We are Victaulic Canada.